So I made coconut oil at home and it was definitely a success. I didn't want to wait for the fermentation method, so I just went ahead with the easier method, which is by cooking it. And this is how it went. Crack your coconuts open, save the liquid for smoothies. Now grate the meat of the coconut. I grated 8 coconuts in total. Transfer this into a blender along with some water and blitz this for 20 seconds. This is how I usually make my coconut milk at home. Squeeze out all the liquid. This is your first milk, which is going to be the thickest. Now repeat the same process 2 more times with the squeezed out bits left. Now all you have is the desiccated coconut remaining. With this, I usually make laddus or add them to my cakes. Now transfer the milk into a large utensil and cook this on low heat. This is going to take you a couple of hours for sure. Your milk will first curdle like this, then it will start to thicken like this, and it will start releasing oil now. I cooked it for a little longer till it's slightly brown and then strained it for homemade coconut oil. I'm not sure I'm gonna do this again because I use a lot of coconut oil at home and you can easily buy them from stores. Tell me in the comments if you have a better way of doing this or if you're ever going to try this one.